Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to just creating a page kit. Kind of already base laid down. I thought I hit record for the first part and alas, I did not. So we're going to deal with that. So I took one of those Paige Evans page kits that I have been creating and created and hold on, I'm trying to trim this up. Get that off there. We got some sticking out over here as well. So doing this just to get these products used up and out. So like I've really just been using them. Like I've even went through and done them without even filming. So I've got the two photos here. They were green, so it went with this yellow and green motif. I fussy cut this whole sheet of yellow flowers, kind of spanned them across and added in a few things from the sticker sheet that I have, and then I want to come in and add just a bit more. Let's put this up like that, maybe move this one over so it's coming with that. This says Laugh Out Loud. My title is Look Down, but I think if we do a little bit of something, we can cover that up. So we don't really want to introduce another color. We'll just put this right there. Don't really need anything else. We got a thank you. I've got a button. I've got some other buttons spread in, some epoxy buttons. So let's just tuck this guy up there, and then we got this leaf. Okay, there's a thank you. We've got those flowers. No. Alright, what do we got over here? Can tuck into those in. This one in right there. Put the little chicken, because why not? Pop in these little buttons all around. Just trying to get like yellow on the green and the green on the yellow. I'm kind of running out of spots, so okay. Let's take this little so pretty and put it on there because my friends is so pretty. Let me stick this one. Let's go right here, and then we'll get that green one. Let's kind of layer these guys up and then stick them in there. Come on. There you go. Then I want to add some twine. So I've been really into the twine lately. So I do 3 pulls of the green, and then I'll do 3 pulls of the yellow, and then I just take them and I mix these together. And we're going to stick one over there. I used to use twine a lot. Or not twine, this is sewing thread, let's be honest. But like everything, you kind of get out of it. And we'll stick this one over here. And how I make those, how I make those stay, so I grab a little bit of the glue. And we're just gonna squeeze some glue in there, and then kind of set that down. I give a nice little tug. Right, and then we'll do the same thing up here for this one. And then you can, if you want it to be messier, you just kind of pull at it a little bit. Then we'll just get a little bit underneath there. And then last, but certainly not least, let's pop some gems in here. Tried to find colors that I thought would match best. Probably not the best match, but it's working. And we're going to drop do the green. These will also help to keep the twine down in a couple areas. I keep grabbing a little one, and I don't want a little one, I want the medium-sized one. Now I need a small one. I'll just get my gem picker, so I just picked that up at Amazon. Let's do the green, and then we'll come in with the yellow. Oh! Did you guys see that? I don't even know where they all went. Oh my goodness. That's actually been my day today. I'm pretty sure I lost more. But it'll be okay. And then we'll put the yellow. I need to refill the glue, but I need my husband for that. I can't, it's glued together, so he usually has to strong arm it. Alright, so put one of these, and then you get one of these. And like I said, it's going to help to hold the twine down a little bit as well. And that's going to do it for today's layout, you guys. So I do hope you enjoyed watching me put the rest of it together. I do apologize for not having the rest of the video. Like I said, thought I hit record and I didn't, but I was already committed to doing it, so we shall make the best of it. And then all of these go together. I think I can make one more layout using this. So from that kit, that page kit I put together, I still have all of this. I've got my little leftovers going from this, so I'm just pulling and pulling and pulling until there's nothing left to pull from. So, and we've got these, see? So there is still some more yellow and green that we'll throw back in there on the stuff that I didn't use for this layout, which is totally fine. But most of this is all pinks and blues and stuff that haven't needed yet, but from other kits that I've used. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I'll see you later with another video. Bye.